Alright, so we got 2011 C300, replacing the sensor here, front left. It's just a 10mm inside right here. It gets the ABS and run flat error code.
Sometimes the metal, keep the metal.
Just gonna connect all the, so it's loose. It's all the way in there.
Take this 10 minutes, open it.
Plastic. Well, we'll cover. One more. One underneath right here. Is that also demo? So you can reach. Okay,
That's a fucking easy, man.
cover is off, and you see the connector is right there. It's much easier to remove right now.
See, that's if I find this, you see that's just like this.
Okay.
See? If you take so easy now.
There you go. So that's out. Just gonna return that little metal clip. Place it on top, so it's ready to be just pressed in once the new sensor is installed. There we go. It's a new sensor.
That's it.
It's nice and plug in, pretty simple, easy. Double check. And now it's pretty much just back to the routing. Plugged in. And that's right there. And now it's just English. And now it's and now you just need to connect it, plug it back in. Okay. Right there. Okay, that's snapped in. We heard that. And now you just put a 10 mil back and that's it. And the cover back, yeah. Bohemian Rhapsody, huh? Bohemian Rhapsody. Queen. It's a radio or did you?
Oh, it's my CD. I don't know. Radio CD, not sure.
Matter to me.
Great.
Check now. You see? Okay.
Take it for a spin before you close it up. Seat it.
Turn the car on.